Lives Matter!
Black Lives Matter?
Black Lives Matter!
Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter!
Anybody wants to leave this country, I'll pay for your plane ticket. I can get in on that.
Only if it's white. And BLM only comes out if there's a white cop on a black person. When more black people, African people kill each other every day, proven known fact, kill each other every day.
It represents the protection of God. The blue X that everyone calls an X is actually the cross of St. Andrew, the first patron saint of Jesus Christ. 13 stars represent the 13 colonies that succeeded from the Native Union. That's what the flag stands for. It's not anything dealing with hate. Just because one group of absent-minded people, racist haters, decided to take that flag and steal it and make it a symbol of hate does not mean that's what that flag is.
It absolutely is not a symbol of racism or
They
hate.
need to teach proper history in the schools to your children.
Exactly. Are we going to get rid of Black history?
When they get home,
Martin Luther King, Medgar Evers, I mean, all the black statues and monuments. To me, that should remind you of oppression just as well as a Confederate flag or any Confederate monument. The ones that spoke loud and proud about freedom for the Africans. That's oppression too. That's racist as well. Shouldn't that remind you of racism? No, it's only that lady's name is on the news. The other day, there were 2 children killed here in Jackson, Mississippi. Black children killed by black male. And she didn't name the race. She didn't say 2 black children killed by a black male. Or the black male killed a black woman. Or what about the old man over in Smith County that got killed by the black inmates? Why wasn't there all kind of cane being raised about that? No, it's only, black lives only matter when it's a white cop. White cop on black, and that is so racist.
That's the one-sided situation. I think it would have been a pretty close race. But y'all took the flag. The government took the flag, took the vote out. They suspended rules. Suspended.
like I said, I was another one.
All right? Y'all, no black person would have been okay with a suspension of an amendment that worked on their behalf. And nobody should. Nobody should. Black, white. I hugged a black man yesterday. Told him I love him. I don't know who the man is.
You so pretty over there in those sweatpants.
You don't see me running around wanting to tear stuff up and act like a beast of an animal. No. It means freedom for all. That's how we look at it. Our rebel flag, our Mississippi State flag, whites died under that flag, blacks died under that flag. It's not a hate, racist flag. You need to get over it. Move on.
Well, I heard about it through social media, and as a retired law enforcement officer, I just wanted to come up today and show my support for my brothers and sisters in blue.
You know, you're trying to say that you have the same message as everybody else on the side. Is there a particular reason, or?
Again, I'm just here as an individual.
Hey, so what does the Justice Center do?
So what I do in my role, I'm an intern.
Yeah.
So what we do is we go to protests across the state and serve as neutral observers. So protesters can also contact us if they feel like they want legal observers there. And we'll monitor the protest. We're not with it, but we're outside of it. And if there are any incidents or between protesters and counter-protesters or protesters and police, we'll record and observe that.
So, respectfully, a bunch of people saw you out in Brandon the other night writing down tag numbers. What would be the end game in that?
Sure. I wrote down a tag number. I informed the gentleman when he asked me about it. I wrote it down because he was being disruptive. He wasn't doing anything illegal. He was being disruptive when the protesters were speaking on their PA system. And I felt like it was safe assumption.
Like that?
Like that, sure, but constantly, you know?
Yeah.
And so I felt like if it was a safe assumption to assume that if something happened later in the day, it might have involved him. So I just took down his tag numbers. I don't do anything with them unless there is an incident.
Yeah.
Our notes are only really stored if we have an incident summary report to put in. So I'm not going to do anything with the card tag numbers, of course.
I'm with you.
Yeah, I did take those card tag numbers. I let them know.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. You have a nice day.
Our Constitution and rewrite it.
And if you're trying to get people's tag numbers, find out who they are, and contact their employer, I'm self-employed, so I'll give you my phone number, brother.
Why are they taking tags?
Because they're
Trying to find out where they
Antifa.
live, and
You come to my house, buddy.
They're Antifa. Look, the police making it go away.
Those guys? Oh, I guarantee you, arms and blood's exactly what they got in mind. They're already doing it. They do it in country after country.
You're right! And you should put ours first! And the thing got fought for you 3 different times. God bless America! Anybody wants to leave this country, I'll pay for your plane ticket! I can get in on that!
Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter!
violent.
Silent is violent! Silent is violent! Silent is violent! Silent is violent! Silent is violent!
All power to the workers.
All power to the workers!
All power to the working class.
All power to the working class!
All power to the workers.
All power to the workers!
All power to the working class.
All power to the working class!
All power to the workers.
All power to the workers!
All power to the working class.
All power to the working class!
All power to the workers.
All power to the workers!
All power to the working class.
All power to the working class!
This whole damn system will shut it down.
This whole damn system will shut it down!
Randy Tucker, shut him down.
Randy Tucker, shut him down!
Racist police, shut him down.
Racist police, shut him down!
Confederate flag, we shut it down.
Confederate flag, we shut it down!
This whole damn system will shut it down.
This whole damn system will shut it down!
Randy Tucker, shut him down.
Randy Tucker, shut him down!
Racist police, shut him down.
Racist police, shut him down!
Confederate flag, we shut it down.
Confederate flag, we shut it down!
This whole damn system will shut it down.
This whole damn system will shut it down!
All power.
All power!
working class.
All power to the working class! All power to the working class! All power to the working class!
What class?
Working class!
What class?
Working class!
What class?
Working class!
What class?
The working class!
Ain't no power to people because the power of people don't stop.
Ain't no power to the power of people, the power of people don't stop!
Ain't no power to the power of people because the power of people don't stop.
Ain't no power to the power of people, the power of people don't stop!
I'm going to talk to you later.